Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be talking about the current severe weather and flooding threats and also potential upcoming severe weather outbreak and snowstorms. So I would really appreciate it if you subscribed and liked the video and turn on notifications so we could share my weather content and get this out there. Today's shoutouts go to the Hurricane HQ, which will link be in the description. Please go subscribe to them. And Liam's Weather Channel, please go subscribe to them. Their link will also be in the description. Anyway, to get that, I just want to get that out of the way. There is a cover I made. I made the thumbnail today. Put a lot of work into it. Since it is nighttime, I saw you guys just wanted a professional quick forecast, so I will deliver. So let's first go to the thunderstorm forecast. So we do have a 40% off the coast of South Carolina, the Carolinas, Georgia, Florida, and parts of the Mid-Atlantic. We also have 10% for parts of the Carolinas and Mid-Atlantic and parts of the Northwest. These will not really be severe anymore, though a tornado cannot be ruled out across the Carolinas later tonight. Damaging winds are also possible, maybe hail, but all of that is unlikely. If we do go to the severe threat and the slight risk, we have Virginia Beach, Norfolk, Cheapstate, Newport News, and Hampton, and the marginal we have Miami, Hialeah, Fort Lauderdale, Pembroke Pines, and Hollywood, Florida, not Hollywood, California. I'm mentioning that because I do not want you guys to get confused. Because if you're like near Hollywood, I don't want you to think you are getting severe weather when you're not. Anyway, let's go to the tornado threat. We have a 5% for not California. Sorry about that. A lot of North Carolina, a little bit of Virginia and South Carolina, 2% surrounding that, and a 2% in Central Florida. Wind, we have a 15%, around the same area as the 5% tornado, and the 5% wind surrounding that, and the 5% wind in Central Florida. Hail, we have a small 15% in parts of Virginia, North Carolina, the 5% going from South Carolina all the way to Virginia, and the 5% again in Central Florida. If we do go to the watches, there is no watches or medical discussions valid. We will quickly go to radar scope. I want to show you the potential flooding threat. I'm going to show you the flooding threat. So we do not have any rotation right now, no severe threats right now. So we cannot rule any severe threats out here, though there is no severe weather, no big severe weather risk at least, but I'm pretty sure there's not even one. So don't think you're unlikely to get any severe weather. We do have 2 flash flood watches, flash flood warnings, my bad. So yeah, very heavy rain. This will stall, it seems. It will do a pretty big stall. Now, it won't stall completely. It won't be stationary, but definitely a big threat for flooding, maybe even some severe flash flooding. Now let's go to the models. Today I will only be showing you the GFS model because I want to show you a potential big snowstorm, and I will start using my weathermodels.com account. So yeah, anyway, I just want to show you the potential CAPE values that could definitely lead to severe weather across the South. So we do see that in around a little over 100 hours, we do see some CAPE in Florida, which probably won't cause a severe threat. But after that, we do have over 2,000 to 3,000 CAPE in Louisiana and Mississippi that could definitely cause a pretty big severe weather event. And then far out, we do have in Oklahoma, Texas, and some other places. But that is pretty far out, and I wouldn't take that with a grain of salt. The supercell composite, we will move along, and we do see that one. We have very high supercell composite, And then after that, we do have a good amount, not as much as before, but definitely a good amount in Oklahoma, Texas, areas surrounding. Also, the reason I'm only showing you GFS is that since that other severe weather event is now passed, and I'm not going to use I'm going to use my weathermodels.com account soon, but I can't show you the European right now because it's being slow, and there's nothing it's really showing, but there is something it's showing that I will show you tomorrow. Now let's go to the precipitation products and go to precipitation type. Oh, I'm so sorry about that. Anyway, just so we do see along the line, this this winter storm potential comes through the Midwest, but that's not really what I want to show you. I want to show you this other potential major winter storm that's actually pretty in the medium range models, and is pretty big actually. And then it will bring tons of heavy rain to the south, and that's what's also going to cause a lot of the severe weather. So we do see that. Oh, I'm so sorry. This is the wrong one. So the total precipitation is what I meant to show you. If we go to this, we are seeing over 2 inches widespread. Parts of India, a little bit of Indiana could see over 5 to 7 inches. Off the coast, also 5 to 7 inches. And in the northwest, also 5 to 7 inches potential. We will now go to the Midwest region, which is where I'm going to be showing you the next potential threat. So let's go back to our precipitation products here, and we will be going to the 24-hour snowfall accumulation. Because I don't want you guys to get mixed up with a total snowfall, because a lot of that will be caused by before events or after events, as well as that can mix up. So 20 and 6 hour and 12 hour can also mix up, because if you look at it closely, you can see that it's showing a lot of snowfall, but a lot of people get mixed up that it's not, even though a lot of times it is. So we do see this, and this is a 10-to-1 ratio, 24-hour snowfall. It's the most accurate for this. So we do see very high snowfall amounts, up to 21 inches in a very isolated area of up to 27 inches, but since that is so small and there is not an amount for that, we are not going to count that. So we will say 21.1 inches, very high snowfall rates in around 234 hours. So medium range models. And then past that, we don't really see anything else. And if we do the 24-hour Kachira snowfall rate, we are seeing up to 27 inches of snow. So also very big snowstorm. And around the same time period. If we do go look at the temperatures, which is the last thing I will show you. I will show you way more. I will show you way more tomorrow, but since it's night, this is a quick professional forecast. I'll show you way more tomorrow, so you'll get a lot more information. And don't forget to leave questions, a comment, or concerns, which I can mention tomorrow in the video. So we're going to see this other low pressure system coming in. But that's before we see this other one. So we do see these 50s, 60s, not favorable for snow, but during the time period, there's a cool down behind the system of the 20s and 10s, and anything 32 degrees or below in Fahrenheit will be very favorable for snow to accumulate, and even in big amounts, 32 degrees or below. And then, of course, that moves out. That is the last thing I will show you, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button. I will see you guys on the next video. And remember to subscribe to Hurricane HQ and Lamb's Weather channel, which are in the description. Have a great night, and I will see you guys in the next video.